Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the $416 sign-up bonus with Charles Schwab. It's a great way to unlock your savings. The breakdown of the $416 sign-up bonus with Charles Schwab is broken down into two components. The first one is the $101 sign-up bonus with the Charles Schwab Starter Kit, and the second part is the $315 sign-up bonus with the Schwab Investor Card from American Express. The Schwab Starter Kit consists of top 5 stocks from the S&P 500. You choose upon opening the account. Sign up is free with no monthly fees and no minimum account balance requirements. The Schwab Investor Card requires that you have one of the following active accounts with Charles Schwab. To be eligible, you need to have either a Schwab One or Schwab General Brokerage account, a Schwab Traditional Roth or Rollover IRA, that is not managed by an independent investment advisor pursuant to a direct contractual relationship between you and such independent advisor. The Schwab Starter Kit gives you direct eligibility to sign up for the Schwab Investor Card. Just have one small favor before we continue. If you guys like this content and would like to see more of it and enjoy the video, please give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Going forward, for the $101 sign-up bonus with the Schwab Starter Kit, the sign-up link is here. However, you can scan this with a smartphone, Android phone, with a QR reader, and it'll bring you directly to the site. In order to sign up for the Schwab Starter Kit, you'll need a Social Security number or tax ID number, your employer's name and mailing address, if applicable, your email address, and mobile phone number. You'll need to deposit at least $50 into that account within 30 days of enrolling in the offer. Only outside assets new to Schwab qualify. Assets transferred from affiliates other than Schwab retirement plan services are excluded. The stocks you purchase will be the top 5 stocks in the S&P 500 by market capitalization on the date your orders are placed. 2 business days after your account is opened, Schwab will begin checking for qualifying deposits. Once the qualifying deposit is received, Schwab will credit the $101 cash bonus to your brokerage account at approximately 6 p.m. Eastern Time the next trading day. If the deposit is made after 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Schwab will credit the $101 cash bonus at approximately 6 p.m. Eastern Time 2 trading days later. Schwab will send you an email about your 5 trade orders the night before the orders are placed. Schwab will place the 5 orders for you at approximately 8 p.m. Eastern Time the day the cash bonus is credited to your account, provided you maintain $50 in your brokerage account at that time. The $101 consists of 5 fractional shares at $20.20 each, total $101. You will have a short period of time from approximately 8 p.m. Eastern Time until approximately 9:25 a.m. the next trading day to cancel the order. To cancel the order, you'll need to go to the order status page on schwab.com or any of the Schwab's other trading platforms or call Schwab representative at the number listed here, 1-800-435-4000. If you cancel your orders, you'll keep the $101 cash bonus and can save or invest it however you want. If you take no action, the orders will be executed shortly after market open the next trading day. You will then see the fractional shares reflected in your account, and Schwab will send you a trade confirmation for the trades. The cash bonus is reported on Form 1099 INT. Any related taxes are your responsibility. The Schwab Starter Kit is limited to 1 per account and only eligible to new customers. There's no end date for this promotion, so it is ongoing. The offer is intended to help you learn more about investing by making actual investments. For more information on investing principles, you can see the website here, or you can also scan this with your smartphone with a QR reader, with an Android smartphone, and it takes you directly to the website. The Schwab Starter Kit, they offer free short videos and step-by-step guides to getting the one-on-one on investing. Once you've set up your Schwab Starter Kit, you'll now have eligibility to sign up for the Schwab Investor Card from American Express. You can scan the QR code with your Android phone here, or you can also just type in the website address listed here. The Schwab Investor Card offers $300 statement credit after you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months of membership. The current offer ends January 8th, 2025. The Schwab Investor Card has no annual fee, 0% introductory APR on purchases for 6 months starting from the date your account opening, After that, your APR will be a variable rate, 18.49% to 29.49% based on your credit worthiness and other factors. Balance transfer fees of $5 or 3% of the balance transfer, whichever is greater. The $300 statement credit for the Schwab Investor Card from American Express should appear on your account within 5 business days of making the qualifying purchases. However, it can take up to 90 days after the offer period ends. The $15 additional you'll get doing a $1,000 spend is based on 1.5% of $1,000. That 1.5% is automatically deposited into your eligible account for the purchase you made with the card. It's credited to your linked Schwab account in 8 to 12 weeks from the end of the billing period in which they are received. Eligible purchases for the 1.5% cash back means purchases for goods and services minus returns and other credits. Other eligible purchases do not include fees or interest charges, cash advances, purchases or traveler's checks. Purchases are relating to prepaid cards or purchases of other cash equivalents. If you want to change the Schwab account the cashback is credited to, you'll need to contact Schwab directly at 866-385-1227. The sign-up bonus with American Express is once per lifetime. Existing American Express card holders may avoid a hard pull on your credit by applying for this offer, meaning that if you're already in the field and you have an active American Express card, there's a pre-screen feature that will tell you ahead of time if you are pre-approved for the offer with no hard pull. The feature helps you make informed choices regarding the charge cards available to you. Bankrate.com has a card match feature with similar features. I did try this feature to sign up for the Schwab Investor Card from American Express. That let me know I was not pre-approved for the offer, but I was pre-approved for the Gold AMEX card, which has a $325 annual fee. So I really don't, not a good card for me. More interested in the zero annual fee cards, like this one from American Express. So that option is available to you, and I recommend you take advantage of it. So closing comments on the $416 sign-up bonus with Charles Schwab. It's a great option for building savings for new investors. It has a low initial deposit of $50. You can create automatic deposits through a linked checking account to help build it over time, to help establish a safety net that covered planned and unplanned expenses. It's just general life expenses like car insurance, repairs, unexpected medical expenses, and similar items. The Charles Schwab Investor Card with American Express is a great no annual fee alternative with cashback that is automatically deposited into your linked checking account, your linked Schwab account, excuse me. If you guys enjoy this video and like the content and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me at orig58@gmail.com or just leave a comment in the description and I'll reply to you. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.